Welcome to Shakti Vidya Niketan English Medium School Malad online classes. Myself Deshmukh Apeksha. Student, we are going to learn Standard 5 Subject English lesson number 5, the 12 months. So student, in previous lecture we had seen that in this lesson Morukula went to the forest to bring some apples, means Helena and Morukula's stepmother told to the Morukula go into the forest and bring some apples. So Morukula went to the forest and she requested the 12 months, give me some apples, and then the 12 months tell to the Morukula shake a tree in one time. So now we see what happened with Morukula, and she bring apples or not. Okay student, now you open your textbook and listen carefully. Student, open your textbook page number 12. Listen carefully now. Write, gladly Morukula shook the tree and first one apple fell down and then another. So student, now Morukula went to the forest and she write gladly. Gladly means happily. Shook the tree. Shook is the past tense of shake. Shake means move. So now she moved the tree and then first one apple fell down and then one another fell down. Means only two apples fell down on the ground. Now Morukula, that's enough. Run home quickly, shouted the months, and then all the 12 months shouted that Morukula, that's enough. Now stop and run home quickly means go, hurry up. And all months shouted. So Morukula obeyed at once. She picked up the apples, thanked the months with all her heart and ran merrily home. So student, Morukula obey at once. Obey means listen, means follow up them, means listen to them. Means Morukula listened to all 12 months and she picked up the two apples and thanked the months. So thank the months means she never forget to thanks to the months. She very heartily, she again said to the months, thank you, and ran merrily home and happily goes into the home. Then Helena and the stepmother wondered when they saw Morukula bringing the two apples, and then Helena and stepmother very surprised. They wonder when Morukula bringing two apples, and they thought that where she how Morukula bringing these two apples, there is not season of apples, and then where did you get them, asked Helena. And then Helena, Morukula's sister, asked to the Morukula, where did you get them, where you got apple? So I found them in the forest on the high mountain. And then Morukula said that I found these apples in the forest on the high mountain. And why didn't you bring more, or did you eat them on the way home? Said Helena harshly. Harshly means very bad manner, means very rudely. So very angrily Helena said to the Morukula, and why you didn't bring more? You bring only two apples. Why you did not bring more? Or did you eat them? And she said to the Morukula, you eat them on the way? Then, alas, sister dear, I haven't even tasted them. I shook the tree twice, two apples fell down, and they wouldn't let me shake the tree again. They shouted to me to go straight home, protested Morukula. And then student, alas, Morukula said that alas is a sad expression. She very sadly said, alas, dear sister, I have not even tasted them, means I did not eat them. I shook the tree twice and two apples fell down, and when I shake the tree, at that time only two apples fell down on the ground, and they wouldn't let me shake the tree. They shouted to me. They means 12 months shouted at me, go to the straight home. Protested Morukula. Protested Morukula means she told them why she bring only 2 apples. She argued them. So I means she said that I did not eat apples. I only bring only 2 apples. Then next paragraph. May you be struck to death by lightning, said the weak Helena, and began to eat the apple. It tasted so delicious that she told her mother she had never tasted anything so nice in all her life. The stepmother liked it too. When they had finished, they wanted some more. And then the weak means very bad person, and Helena is very bad person, and she said to the Morukula, you may you be struck to death by lightning. Lightning means in very at rainy season there thunder means it also calls storms thunder, and she said that you will may be struck to death by lightning. And said the weak Helena, and began to eat the apple, and she now began to start to eat the apple, and she said to the Morukula, she thought that you will be struck death by lightning. It tasted so delicious that she told her mother, and Helena said to her mother, it tastes very delicious. I mean, this apple is very tasty, very delicious. And she also said that she had never tasted like this apple, anything so nice in all her life. Means she never tasted like this apple. This is very tasty. And the stepmother liked it too. And also the when stepmother tasted this apple at that time, the stepmother also liked these apples. And when they had finished, and when Helena and stepmother finished these 2 apples, they wanted some more. Why? Because the apple is very delicious, very tasty, so they wanted some more. So student, you understand up to here? So next part of this lesson we will see in next lecture. So thank you. Stay home, stay safe.